This has become the start of an adventure we never could have dreamt of. Our mission towards simplicity started with 4 founders, and today we count 25 employees. We built a great team around this exciting business idea, and some of the best heads within software, hardware, and underwater robotics available in Norway have worked tirelessly for over 3 years, pushing the limits every day. For this, the Blueye Pioneer underwater drone. When we started, we had one goal in mind: to develop an underwater drone to a reasonable price for the mass markets. The target price back then was $2,000. The most important part of the design process was to create an underwater drone that would provide customers with an exceptional user experience. Not only is the drone very easy to operate, the user can also easily replace both the battery, tether, and thrusters. Simplicity, robustness, and stability are the core quality elements of our product, and we strongly believe that the Blueye Pioneer is the world's best underwater drone. This piece of engineering beauty has neither been easy nor inexpensive to develop. In fact, we have repeatedly prioritized quality over cost to ensure the highest possible robustness of the drone. Hence, it comes natural to level the price to the quality we have achieved. Now, in January 2019, when Blueye has started to ship the first products to customers, the price of one Blueye Pioneer underwater drone is $9,878. Blueye assures its followers that the original vision of the company still stands strong among its employees and owners. That is, to make the beauty of the oceans and the dangers they face visible to everyone. We look forward to launching more products in the years to come, some with more features and others at lower prices to accommodate the needs of the larger mass markets.